Okay guys, here are some Christmas cards. Alright. Let's see, I'm going to put that back over here and this here. Alright, here's the first one. This is just some paper I had in my stash. These right here are from somebody that I did a swap in a groupware. Oh my god, that's my that's something I use for my work. No, my Facebook group that I got from the swap. So I found this saying on the internet and I printed it out. This is what was sent to me. So, and there was a hole right here for the square. So I found a die to cut this white part out that fit the inside of this square. So I cut that out and I placed it on the inside of the square and popped it up on some Stampin' Up pop-up thingies, and it doesn't pop up very much, which is what I wanted. And the hat, I had to put stuff on back so it'd raise it up to put it on this thing here, and then I just put some little bling. So that's what I did with that one. And this I found on the internet as well and printed it out. And this is a die frame that I had sitting out, that I had cut out for a while. So that's another thing that was sitting on my desk. I needed to use it, so I put it on there. And it's white on white, and it's not exactly white, so it's not like it just blends in and you can't see it at all, but it's sort of a dirty white. So I probably could have put something else, I don't know, but no, that fit fine because it was on my desk. I needed to use it. And then I just put some bling. Well, actually I used a glitter pen and glittered up the snowflakes and then put some bling on the inside of them. And then I used some Winkostella right here. And okay, that's it for that one. Alright, and then this one I really like. It turned out good. This is a die. These both are dies. This one is, hang on. Well, yeah, hang on just 2 seconds. One of them is a 2D Designs. Here's this one. This one here, I don't know what that one was. I can't find it real quick, and I don't want to let you sit there waiting on me. So I don't think it's a paper tray ink. It may be, but I'm not really sure. So I cut this one out, and then I cut it out again and cut the green bow off and laid it on top of that. And then this is a Stampin' Up embossing folder. It's a of course wood plank something embossing folder. I am terrible at this. I'm so sorry, guys. And then, oh, I actually did put a stamp in this one. I think that's a Stampin' Up stamp too. So there you go. Like that one. And I got one more Christmas one. This one. This die right here is, I had it cut out, and this actually is not all of the die. Some of it didn't cut out right, so I cut the part that didn't cut out right. It had Merry Christmas here and something else, and I don't know what happened. Maybe I didn't cut it right or something, so I cut that part off, and I had it sitting on my desk for a while and didn't know what I was going to do with it. So I was playing around with this gold paper, and then did a these oh my god, my brain, corner punches. So this sat on my desk for a while. So I finally just kind of laid it on there, and it brought out the white, but I could still, I have all this gold. So I just put the red, green, and gold, and then I had this. I put it on 6x6, and then I had this trim. I was trying to find a trim. I knew I wanted to put something around this, and so I was trying to find some trim. I had a couple of them out, and then I saw this, and I said, "Oh my gosh, it's got the same colors in it." I didn't really say that, but I'm thinking it in my mind, and so it just turned out really good. And then I put some little blingies on there. My lighting's terrible. I'm so sorry. So there's that. Let's see if I got anything. Nope, nothing on the inside right now. So there's that one. So here are the Christmas cards. Here. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, let me know. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.